These workers are from Chogle mines, and they have said that contrary to the assurance which they had given to the Chief Minister, many of the mines, Chogle mines, in 2 or 3 of them, they have given them orders of no work, no pay. And in other Chogle mines, they have given them retrenchment orders. Both. And they said that this is very unfair because it was not their mistake. If there was illegal mining or if any environment laws were done or violated, it is not their mistake. They are the employees and they have been doing their work sincerely, so they should not be penalized. So I told them that this is something which is wrong. It is not at all proper for mining companies to retrench the workers or to issue no work, no pay orders. It is not at all proper. First of all, because government has given them assurance that it will start in the month of October. Number 2, this is always the off season for mining. Always it is down. No mining takes place. So many of the workers, contract workers, whatever it is. So I told them that this is completely unfair, and as far as writing to the Chief Minister, they wanted me to write to the Chief Minister. I said that I will write today itself, that this is not proper and this is not correct.